like that?
It wasn't taping all through that. It wasn't taping. You guys get her permission again. Say hi, Amanda.
You sure you got it this time?
Yeah, it's going. I see the time.
Okay. We have your permission to videotape you.
You have my permission to videotape.
And
What's your name?
Amanda.
Amanda.
Where are you?
We are at the corner of
Terry Road in McDowell.
Terry Road in McDowell.
And where?
In Jackson. And we're here, woo! Supporting Barack Obama for president.
It's amazing.
It's a beautiful day. And we are wearing Mississippi for red.